Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you, and we're about to announce the 5K giveaway, which was Sundown U15 and a 1500 watt amp. But keep in mind, the 6K starts right after this. We will put a link in the bottom of the description so you can get to that video. That will be the one you'll need to comment and share on. And if you all hit that bell anyway, it's going to pop up. Remember, we need to share to make these giveaways possible. It's about the subscribers. It's about bringing new people to the Big Jeff audio platform. So let's get into it. The winner of the Sundown 5K giveaway is, and I am having technical difficulties, Paul Williamson. Paul Williamson, Frenchburg, I believe Kentucky. I would surprise my best friend with the setup. He has a few kids and can't afford a system right now. A single 15 would help him smile forever. I have everything to give him except the sub and amp. This would be a great dream come true for him. Thank you, Big Jeff, for putting your customers and followers first. Man, that blows me away. Keep in mind, he did not get picked just because of the comment. We do that with an app that just picks somebody out of there. But incredible that he's given that to his best friend. So, Paul Williamson, congratulations on the Sundown U15 and the Sundown 1500 watt amp. That's crazy. You will see a link for the 6K giveaway, and we'll get into that next. And then guess what? The following Sunday, we'll have another winner. I'm Big Jeff. Check out the new shirt at Big Jeff Audio, hair tricks for $1. We just put up a video showing it was torn down, dynamited, and ready to go. Wiring starts, building starts. It's going to come fast. If you want to get a shirt, we have them up for sale on the Big Jeff Audio website, full color, and I think they feel and look great. I'm Big Jeff. Next giveaway coming up.